We're going to use the quadratic formula on number 5. And again, before you can identify A, B, and C, make sure that you've got it equal to 0, so that part's good. A is the number in front of the x squared, so my value for A is 3. B is the number in front of the x, so my value for B is negative 10. C is the constant that's usually right here after the x. You can see over here that this had a number added after the x, and the constant for this one was 25. This one doesn't have anything added on the x, so if there's nothing there, it's 0. So my values for A, B, and C are here. I'm going to use these values to first find the discriminant. The discriminant is this part that's under the square root sign. It's the b squared minus 4ac. So when I put my numbers in place, again, make sure you grab the b value. A lot of people want to just do the first one here. The a is 3 and it goes over here. So b is negative 10 squared minus 4 times a is 3, times c, which is 0. So when I multiply this times 0, this whole part right here is just going to be 0. So this discriminant is negative 10 times negative 10 minus 0, which means my discriminant is 100. Now 100 is a positive number, which tells me there are 2 solutions. And now I'm going to find those solutions. So, using this quadratic formula, I'm going to start with negative b. Since b is already negative, negative b is 10 plus or minus the square root of the discriminant, which is 100, divided by 2 times a. A is 3, so 2 times 3 is 6. And now I'm going to get the square root of 100, which is nice because it happens to be a perfect square. The square root of 100 is 10. So I have 10 plus or minus 10 over 6. Now I can put this into my 2 problems. 10 plus 10 over 6, so that makes 20 over 6. Or 10 minus 10 over 6, which would be 0 over 6. So 20 divided by 6 gives me a solution of 3.333 repeating. You can write it this way, 3.3 repeating, or you could math enter it and leave it as 10 over 3, whichever you prefer. 0 divided by 6 is 0. So 2 answers, 3.3 repeating and 0.